Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing well and are keeping safe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace Juguna. In case you are new here, welcome. In case you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always clicking back to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted, guys. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. And if you are watching this particular video and you just subscribe, please consider subscribing. So this video is all about cleaning my kitchen, my curtains, my house. Also, I'll show you a hack that niliona ya kuosha curtains. I hope it will help you as it helped me. So this is the 5th month, I think, since we moved to this house. I've not washed my curtains for the past 6 months. So I sort out my clothes first, bright colors, dark colors, and zile mixed, you know, zenye they don't hazitokangi rangi. So I start with those ones zenye ni mixed, they don't drain the color, and then I put them into my washing machine. I set the time, I set my tap. Nowadays I wash my clothes at night, or kuanzia 6 throughout the night until around 10 or even 11, depending ni loads ngapi ninaosha, so that I can hang them in the morning. I found it very easy doing that, kuosha usiku na zianika asubuhi early in the morning kuliko kuosha during the day. During the day I found it consuming a lot of time, so nika set time. I usually use allergy and steam, which is 1 hour 51 minutes, and the temperature is 60 degrees. Also, you can also use that Oxy Active, the stain remover. You can also soak them like this, the way I'm showing you. You can put it in a washing machine. You can soak them directly here. So you can just, there's many ways of using that Oxy Active detergent. So these are my white clothes. I soaked them, and now let's clean the bathroom. For the bathroom, I'm using vinegar, baking soda, and omo ya kawaida, like the kawaida sabuni ya unga. I wash my walls, my chini kwa sakafu. I make sure everything is clean. So enjoy the video.
Let me be your guide, stepping stones together. Do you see it now? You're still a child, like every wave will find its way back into the big blue. I will find my way to you, like a harvest moon. Turn from darkness into gold. That's how you'll know that you found home.
This is the hack that I saw somewhere. Unafunga na uzi ya kiatu. Uzi ya kiatu, and make sure you close it very tight, because the spin of the washing machine, it's always very strong. Usipofunga vizuri itafunguka na rings zako zitapasuka na curtains ziraruke. So make sure you close it very tight. And if you have a socks, also add a socks hapo juu. Mine, I had a socks, but the socks was very tiny and the curtain is very big, like the fabric it's very big, so haingetosha. Nikaweka kwa my washing machine na nikatumia the shortest cycle, like 15 minutes. And don't wash your curtains with hot water, so make sure you select the shortest cycle and the lowest temperature. Okay, are we together until there? Then you can add in your soap and your fabric softener if you want your house to smell nice for the last, I think, few days, not months, days. So nikaweka my time. Then after a minute ikaanza kuniambia there is a fault somewhere. I had to check on the manual book nijue shida ni nini, because nilikuwa inaniambia F13, but I didn't understand F13 ni nini. So when I went to the book nikaona F13 it's door lock fault, like the door it's not locked properly. but I came to realize it was not the door. The issue was the electricity voltage. It was very low. That's why the machine was not working properly. So for these other curtains, the fabric is very, yani the quality is very low, so ilitoshea kwa socks. Nikaziweka kwa socks, which it was a very good thing. Hizi zingine ni sheer si mnajua tu kitu rahisi, so ilitoshea kwa socks. Now here is the problem. I don't know if these curtains were like this before. Unaona penye kuna rings, kuna place zimeraruka kidogo kidogo. So I don't know if they were like that before ama they teared after nimeosha, because nishaioshewa once kwa washing machine. So I don't know, I can't tell. Now let's clean my kitchen. Let me tell you guys, unaona hiyo kitu ya orange iko hapo, hiyo nimetoa. Hizo zote ni carrier bags. Hizo ziko hapo na gunia. Zote ni carrier bags. I wish mtu angekuwa tu anaziuza niuze somewhere. All of them, they are carrier bags. Sijui kwenye nitazipeleka. So anyway, let's clean my kitchen. I first went in with antibacterial product, nikaspray huko ndani, and then nikapanguza na just water, baking soda and vinegar and sabuni ya unga. So enjoy the video.
Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. you just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing, let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that.
Time to climb that mountain. I'm not gonna stop till I reach the very top. It's a decision I've made. I'm gonna follow through. I promise I'll keep to me and you. All that I need is within me. I just have to trust my instinct. I've got the eye of the tiger, heart of the lion, fierce as a dragon. Ain't no denying I'm right on time as I keep on trying. Stepped off course, but now I'm flying. I'm gonna thread that needle through the finish line. I don't need no medal, the race is the prize. Shoot for the stars, you may land on the moon. Step by step, you just have to move. Sooner or later, it's now or never. Sooner or later, now or never. I'm grateful for these bumps in the road. The closer I look, these bumps are gold. I'm gonna walk with love and face that fear, because I know it's only up from here. All that I need is within me. I just have to trust my instinct. It's not gonna be easy, it might get tough, even when I've run out of luck. Dig down deep, keep showing up. I know I've got all the right stuff. It'll take some courage when I'm afraid. Have to have faith, let my heart lead the way. Shoot for the stars, you may land on the moon. Step by step, you just have to move. Sooner or later,